Stairs.
Yep.
I've heard there will be a lot of stairs. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Jump, jump,
Jom, jom.
jump, 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 kawan.
Jom naik Gunung Kinabalu.
Yang penting kita itu selamat sampai di sini.
Oke.
Are you nervous?
Excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
Right? Excited?
Where's Alwin?
So,
Alwin.
it's your take. Okay. So you have to make a long way up and down until to Murray.
Okay.
That's very important.
Very
Very
important.
important.
Very important.
When you go way past the gate, you have to show it.
Ah, yeah, okay. Let's push this. This is my new name. AQ18.
Guys, bye. Good luck. Jumpa di atas, oke? Siapa nama kita?
Rido.
Rido. Alwin.
I need to be organized in my stuff. I can't find my stuff in my bag. Ah, there we go. Power bank, very important.
Ya. Perjalanannya mengambil sebanyak berapa menit nih, Jek?
15 menit juga lah.
15 menit ya.
Put it in the front here. Because it's so easy to just not see.
Oke, sampai sini aja ya.
Ya.
Oh, gitu.
Kita punya
Permulaannya.
Oh, we let the back here.
Oh.
More bags. Okay.
With Rico. What? Rico.
Rido.
Rido.
Do.
Boleh?
Buku TikTok apa nih?
Stop vlogging.
Oh, this is my stick.
Ya.
So this one is the ring one. To
Bayar ini 10.
Oke, let me pay for it. Selamat mendaki. This is first gate for us. Let's go. Let's go.
I should keep my energy for later. I will need it.
we are in Pondok Timpohan. So we have to go to the Lavanda Terrace House also for today. Only 6 kilometers for today.
6 kilometer for today.
But so usually 4 to 6 hours to go, but it's depend how's your speed too.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So if anyone of you want to go fast, to go first,
Okay.
can also, but you have to follow the trail.
Trail.
No other trail.
Satu yang laluan ini dia.
Satu sudah. Okay. So this is yang dari Musilo tapi sini tutup sudah. And here dia ada pembinaan di sini lah.
Buatan.
Ya, pembinaan bangunan. Standard you guys stay tonight in the
1.5
Panalaban
meter
Hut.
is fine.
Sorry.
Would it be enough?
Yep.
For one day?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Mhm.
I mean, I have 3 liters, but you take the other one.
It will be okay.
Usually in the early morning,
Just
only the small water is enough to the summit. Like that.
Really?
yeah.
Wow, that's insane.
Because there's
But
only
we can drink a lot in the beginning.
3 hours to go. But if you guys fast, you can get there too early. But we can't get there too early because we feel cold. So, but usually you have to walk when we start around 2:30 from Lavandata and get there by 5:30 is still 5:30 to 6 is better. So you have to get there and take a rest for a while and take a picture. And 6 something, 6:30, we have to going down to Bata and checking out before 10:30, then go down to here again.
Oke.
Pagi itu turun ada breakfast lagi.
Ada.
Mau makan nggak?
Alright.
Mau makan? Ini aja.
Oh, di sini kah?
Nanti menyesal.
I think I don't eat.
No?
I don't eat.
So good.
Ya,
Sedap.
sedap. Dan
Chinese, Malay food. Always delicious. It's very good. It's really good food.
Itu pondok Timpohon. Pondok yang pertama apabila kita ingin melalui ke Gunung Kinabalu. Dan di sini kita ada nampak peta dan juga sedikit info yang diberi berkaitan dengan gunung. It's very quite nice and have you guys enjoy it? See you later. Duduk dulu, Ma. Duduk. Tarik nafas dulu.
You have it on the forehead. Let's eat. I don't know if we can say eat, but let's take this peel, the altitude peel. After eating.
Nggak sedap.
Yeah. Taste is awful.
Ya, jembatan yang pertama. Summit Trail.
Let's go to this direction.
Let's go.
Sekarang makan Maggi.
Abang mau pergi mana, Bang?
Di pungut sampah.
Ini pungut sampah.
Layang-layang.
Dari layang-layang.
Yang turun di Timpohon.
Oke, good luck, Bang. Ayo, oke.
I'm good. We've got to do it slowly. It's not a competition. I got to do it slowly, left, right, not walking straight. But for the moment, the most difficult is that I always want to talk. So my we talk, you know. So my breathing needs to get the rhythm. That's the most challenging part right now. But we're just getting started.
Ya, begitulah. Sedikit ulasan yang diberi oleh Alwin berkenaan dengan pemulaan menaiki Gunung Kinabalu. Yang menyatakan pernafasan perlu dikawal karena beliau sentiasa bercakap dan bermonolog kepada dirinya sendiri. Jadi oleh itu dia masih tidak dapat menjumpai rentak yang sepatutnya untuk pernafasan naik ke gunung. Okay, let's go in French. C'est parti. C'est parti, Alvin. That's good. Sounds good.
There's a few ways you can say it.
C'est parti, Auntie.
Parti.
C'est parti.
C'est parti. Forgot my own language, French. Now I speak Malay. Bosku. Saya Francis. Apa kabar? Boleh bakal kau? It's more Sabahan. I am half French, half Malay Sabahan.
You should stay here after this, Alvin. Sumandak. Sumandak. Padu. Tangga, Je.
Oke, Wah.
Oke, Wah. Mantap, Wah.
Only this. Same like only this.
So it's getting serious here. Very steep stairs.
Patah sebenarnya.
Too tired. Let's go back down.
Hi. Hey,
Friends, I'm gonna be leaving Singapore, buddy.
whoa.
Wait, you also have a GoPro.
From France also.
Camera, you okay? Make YouTube video. Hey guys, where are you from?
From France.
France.
Your brother, but I live in Singapore. He lives in France.
France. What about this country, France? I've never heard about it.
Yeah. It's a really small country.
Ah,
There is good cheese there.
cheese.
Why not?